So hello everyone, Kashif here. So today, we are gonna talk about how to build a backend, and we will see CRUD operations through express.js, like create, read, update, and delete. So as in previous videos, I've already discussed with you like what is Node.js and what is express.js, why we need express.js, and what is backend, what is front end, what is three tier architecture. So if you have built if you are building front end, then you need a backend. So if you don't need to build your backend from scratch, you know uh, you can build your application with using Firebase, that is a backend as a service. Okay, but if you need your backend, if you need to build your backend from scratch, so that this is the video for you. Let's just start the video. And yeah, we are in our initial stages, so we'll just build some very simple and minimal application. So in previous video I've already told you how to build this project structure. Like I'm in question number 4, and in question number 4 I have this node.js module, node modules, and db.json, and package log.json, package.json, and this is a screenshot. This is the question, for which I am going to build application in this video. And this is server.js, so this is main file in which I am gonna write the code and business logic. So yeah guys, so let's just read the question. Build an Express.js application to manage a collection of books using db.json as database. So we have db.json, and that is very empty right now. So yeah, let's see. Initialize a Node.js project and install Express.js. Okay, I've already initialized the Node.js project using command uh, npm init and -y. For installing Express.js, I have already installed npm express. Use db.json to store book data. Okay, I have created db.json to store the data. Create a file named server.js to set up an express server. Okay, I have a server.js. Let's set up the express. So for set up an express const, I need express from express. Now I need app from sorry from express. Now for body parsing, I'll be using app.use express.json. This is a body parsing. It will parse the body. Okay, and let's listen at port number 4141. So app dot listen port number 4141, and let's console something. Server is running at port number 4141. Okay, now we have done some initial part with some initial parts. Let's see. Implement the following CRUD operation for books directly inside server.js. So post book, add a new book. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I was in this folder. Okay. Okay, so add book to db app dot post, and the route is, let's say, hmm, add book. Sorry, firstly it will be a request then response. Now uh, we need to add a book, right? So we'll be getting book details in request.body. So let book is equal to request dot body, right? We'll console it log book. Let's just go to postman. Yeah. So let's just create something else. Sorry, blank collection. Let's rename it. Hmm, library of books, in which I'll be creating a add book. It's a post request. Localhost 4141 add dash book, right? We'll be sending a body raw. What is the format? Format is this. ID, title, author, year. Title is do epic shit. I think no epic shit. Title, author is Ankur Mariko. Year is maybe 2022. Okay, forget the comma, and ID. Let's just, yeah. So we are sending body add book. Let's just run the server. let's go to question number 4. Server is running at port number 4141. Server is running successfully. Let's just hit the API. Okay, something is breaking down. Oops. Actually, it's not the way we write routes. Actually, I have done some coding here. Let's just create a dummy node, dummy route app.get. Oops, sorry guys. Post method. Now you can see do a picture, author, year, ID1. We are getting, and we have not sent any response. That's why this is, processing. Cancel. Yeah. So now let's see respond. Firstly, this is done. Now let's do some dummy data here. Actually, not here. In db.json. Uh, this is kind of data we need. And let's see. Books. Done. Brida the mm, Brida the B. 2 3. Let's see. mm, the rudest book ever. Okay, so this is the data. Now let's read the data. For reading the data we need some package, that is const fs require fs. Okay, so we need in this, let's read the book. Now we have data. Firstly, we read the data from request dot body. Now read the db db is equal to fs dot read file sync dot slash db dot json. For encoding we will be using utf-8, and we need json dot stringify. Yeah, sorry, json dot parse. Now mm, let db dot sorry data is equal to db dot books. We have books, right? Key. Data done. Let's console it also. Data. mm, Now you can see guys, ID1 to ID3, all the data we are able to read, and this data we are getting from request. Now we need to add this data to this array, right? So let's do. So let's cancel this out. Now we have read the data, right? Now let's check. Let's mm, add the data into db. So this data we have is an array, right? So let's push it directly. Data dot push and book, and now we need to push this data like whole array into this db, right? So db equal to mm, or let's just take some help guys. Actually I'm also a noob. Yeah, so directly we'll do, we'll push. No need to think further. Fs dot write file sync dot slash db dot json. Now json dot stringify and we need to push this db. fs.read file sync and change data. Now we'll send the response. Rest.status 200, sorry, 201 dot json message uh, book added success. Book added. Add book. This is the book. Let's just send. Book added. Correct, guys, and 200 created. Let's just see the db.json. As we were having three books, right? One, two, three, and now this book we have. Do apex sheet ankur varigod. ID was incorrect. Like ID was, I should be able to put at 4, and uh, by mistakenly I added 1. So we'll do some changes, okay, guys. So this is the thing I was I wanted to share with you guys. I have learned these things: create, read, update, delete. So in this video I just showed you how to add book, how to create server, and kind of things. This is the running server, guys, from scratch. This is kind of thing. This is the thing under the hood. You know it happens when you use Firebase, guys. In next video I'll be telling you update regarding update, delete, and uh, read. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much for bearing me.